some pictures before we start.
We're here right now outside of the Arroceros and ready to explore and adventure this enchanted park. Itong fountain ang sasalubong sa inyo bago kayo pumasok sa loob. As you can see, malawak ang area nila dito sa labas. But, before muna tayo pumasok, need muna natin mag-sign in. No entrance fee and no foods allowed.
Welcome. Come with us. Take time to read, guys.
On the way na ang mga sangre papuntang Encantadia. Right now, nandito tayo sa may entrance ng park at makikita nyo na agad pagpasok nyo. At ayan ang aking mga nakshi. Hindi pa nagsimula ang adventure pero mukhang pagod na sila.
So we're here at the first stop of Arroceros Forest Park, and you will see a map that will guide you so you don't get lost and know where you are going.
First fun fact about the forest. Dito pa lang sa park na ito, makikita nyo na agad ang view ng exhibit. We're here right now sa may mini exhibit nila, and as you can see, may mga information about this whole enchanted place. Dito sa mini exhibit nila, may bilang na 61 trees varieties puno ng kahoy, 8,000 ornamental plants, and 10 different bird species, and more. Additionally, this is a free entrance and open sila every day around 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And lastly, may 2.2 hectares wide itong forest park.
We're on our way to the next stop, which is the mini fish pond.
Second fun fact, like what Ablin said earlier, every tree has a name. For the example, this is not a tree. And if you want to know any information about this tree, you can scan the QR code down below. Now, we're on our way para mag-sightseeing sa Arroceros Forest Park Fountain.
Ngayon naman, makikita nyo ang batis ng katotohanan, which is ang fountain ng Arroceros. Walang magical dito, pero umiilaw siya pagsapit ng gabi.
This is the view from the side of their meditation area. Mayroon siya sa may hagdan, and as you can see, if you turn around, para ka lang sa forest maze.
stop to Arroceros Meditation Area ay ang mga display dyan is hindi bola. Dahil ang kanilang ilaw dito sa may meditation area kaya bawal hawakan at upuan.
The most important thing of all time in tourist spot is the restroom. Their restroom is near to the exit point and especially it's clean and spacious.
Our last stop, pick up the Gadley. This coffee shop is located near to the exit point of this Arroceros Forest Park. Additionally, may mga chairs din dito na pwedeng pagchismisan at pagtambayan. This space is very spacious and clean.
Goodbye! Thank you!
Ayun siya, pagod na. Wawa naman anak ko.
Uy! Uy! Wag! Wag! Akin na paano babagay sa'yo?
Welcome. Ikot.
Ayun sila, pagod na pagod. Nakatambay na parang tambay lang. Kasi, tingin... Kaupo, pagod na pagod. Kahit hindi malakas. Oy, kahit hindi malakas, kasi mag-ano naman kayo. Mas pwede nito kami malakas.
Lagi mo ako, babe.
Galing!